It's not easy, oh, but I understand the job. Mundo, you have to sit your wife down. Whoever she is, your girlfriend or whatever. Because I know very well that I'm not the only person working or shooting a movie or music video and posting the behind the scene on my page. Most celebrities post their behind the scene whilst they are working. Yes. I didn't ask you people to believe that I'm getting married. Even though when I was posting the behind the scenes, I never posted the guy. You people were saying I'm married to myself. So later on, some pictures came out and I posted the one I was standing with the guy when he was putting ring on my... And it was business. And I was paid to promote the job. And me, since 3 years now, anyone I work with, whilst I'm on the set, I promote your job because I can't come and work with you, take my money and go and sit down, fold my hands and watch you suffer promoting your job. That is why people like working with me, because I promote. That's why people do adverts with me. I never said anything here that I'm married. When I was posting the things, I only say thank you, God. Thank you, God, because God has given me business, job to do, to get money, to feed my son and myself. I never did a video here to tell you all that I'm married. You get me? I was just promoting a job that I was being paid. I'm not the only person who promote business or jobs. Mundo, you have to talk to your wife. And I'm so surprised that you didn't tell her when you were shooting the music video. Please, I respect myself so well. I promote each and every job I do here. And